Welcome to our video guide on plumbing tips for winter trips and snowbirds, protecting your pipes from frost. I'm Royce Murphy, your trusting plumbing pro from Golden Rule. Are you planning a winter trip or living in a region with harsh winters? Protecting your plumbing during the cold months is crucial to avoid costly and inconvenient damage. First, let's talk about preparing your plumbing for cold weather. This step is essential to ensure your pipes stay intact when the temperatures drop. Here's how to do it. Insulate exposed pipes to keep them warm. Seal gaps and cracks in your home's exterior to prevent drafts. Make sure your heating system is in good working order. For those going on winter vacations, you'll need to winterize your plumbing to protect your home while you're away. Here are the steps. Shut off the main water supply to your home, drain all water lines including outdoor faucets, and consider adding antifreeze to toilet bowls and traps. Have a neighbor or friend check on your home periodically. If you're wondering how to drain pipes for a winter vacation, it's simpler than you might think. Here's how. Turn off the main water supply, open all faucets and let the water drain completely, and flush toilets to remove water from the tanks. Cover pipes with insulation or use heat tape to keep them warm. Don't forget to insulate both indoor and outdoor pipes. Here are some additional tips. Check for leaks or issues before winter arrives. Keep your home at a consistent temperature. Don't forget to disconnect and drain garden hoses. In conclusion, protecting your plumbing during the winter is vital for preventing costly repairs and disruptions. Prioritize these steps and you'll enjoy a worry-free winter. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more informative home maintenance and safety content. Thanks for tuning in.